Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be building a luggage rack for my bike. So I'll put a photo of it up of what it looks like or what I'm going to be going off. So that's the general design. It's going to start down here. I'll have a hose clamp that goes around the forks, and it will come off here and then go in, and I'll make some sort of mounting bracket that comes off this top one, the top bolt for the headset here, and the bracket will come out there. So it will be kind of like a triangle shape, and you'll be able to put extra luggage on here. I will in the end I will make one for the back, the rear heel. Probably just drill a hole in the side and then have it coming off the back and have it coming back down to this, so it's got two supports. So this is what I'm going to be using. I've got some rebar. I do have a hose clamp up here in this bag. Just get that down. Well, pretty sure it's here. Anyway, I've got a bunch of big hose clamps. It's not in this bag. It's somewhere though. I've got a hose clamp, and yeah, so now I'm just going to cut out this section of rebar here, and I'll do that twice. So yeah. Okay, so what you just saw me do was I ground down the welds on this rebar. They now fit. Well, they always fit, but I'll just show you. That's how it's going to go there, and obviously the same with the other one on the other side, and then there'll be a bar that goes from the front. Okay, so this is what I've got here. I've I cut out this middle piece, cleaned it up, and welded these two pieces together. I just checked it and it fits on the bike perfectly. So it's kind of hard to hold up, but that's kind of how it's going to go. Something like that. But a bit lower, obviously, because it will be resting on the bolts. And there we go. That's how it's going to look. I don't know what I'm going to do in the centerpiece here. I don't know what I'm going to do in here. I know people run pieces of steel across, but I don't have enough. I thought I could put a piece of wood, make some little tabs here, screw a piece of wood in, just drill a bunch of holes in it. So that way you can put straps and stuff if you want to tie a pack to it, or I guess you could tie a pack in the middle, just hang it kind of. So yeah, that could be quite cool. So what I'll do is I'll drill out those tabs, make some tabs probably just out of these scrap pieces of steel, kind of clean them up, drill out some holes and get a piece of wood in there, and I'll show you what I've done after that. So yeah. Okay, so what I've done now is I welded these two tabs on. It's still hot. I welded these two tabs on actually yesterday. I just redid some of the welding on this one. I welded this new one on. I also cut out this piece of wood. I drilled 2 holes and then got the hacksaw blade. I put it through and then cut down, and I just filed these out, made them smooth. I just oiled that, it's just drying now. so you'll be able to put straps and stuff through here to hold any bags on. And I'm pretty much going to be done. I won't be making the brackets for it since I'm probably not going to be using this headset. If I can find one, I want to use a YZ251 because the bearings don't fit on this one. So I won't mount it up here, but they'll be in a similar position. So that doesn't matter. I'll just leave these ends just blank, and then we're done. So yeah, I'll just wait for that to cool down, and well, actually no, I'll just grind off these now. Grind off all the welds and make it look pretty, and then yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I've just painted it. I use this epoxy enamel paint. It's really tough, so it should hold up to like water and stuff. It's super scratch resistant. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I'll just put a photo up at the end once that's all dry and once I put it all together. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.